So my name is Ashwini Joshi. I'm a product head for Fujifilm GFX and X series. I would like to talk about the X Pro 3 here. So this camera has been made from the mind of photographer, keeping them, that what they need, what all basic requirements are there. And this is made purely for photography, purely for your personal artistic work, personal projects, people who want to do all their work for them personally. Like as a photographer, we are going for a war these days for megapixel, LCD, this autofocus system, all. This camera is separate from anything. It has all the technology features, but I would suggest, it's for the pure photography, for storytelling.